Hey guys, Chris from Provo Beast Audio Installation, and today we're at CES 2020 checking out some of the new products here at the Metra booth. Now specifically what we're excited about is some of these new aux and USB solutions, especially here for the Hyundai Kia aux and USB solution. What this new kit is intended to do is replace the factory USB aux panel. Most of the installers understand that it's nearly impossible to retain your factory aux and USB, and what this kit is designed to do is replace it entirely and allows you to run your own aux, two USBs, and even if you have a radio that has an AV input or even an HDMI input, it allows you to retain those features with a factory sleek look. This is the Axxess AUX USB-H Key 3 for Hyundai and Kia. They also manufacture one for Jeep as well, the AUX USB-JP1. And we have some Chrysler vehicles as well, the AUX USB-CH1 and CH2. Pretty cool stuff. If you want information on this, check out Axxess website via Metra for more information. Thanks guys for watching. We'll see you soon.